Okay, this is what I've got going on. I'm going to put 6 of these LED can lights in the ceiling of this nice apartment. It has 10-foot ceilings in Jersey City, and I'm not an electrician, so I'm tapping off an existing outlet, which is half switched. So what I'm doing is, before I go ahead and cut holes in the ceiling, I'm kind of doing a trial run wiring and doing my due diligence. Anyway, right now I got it going, and seems to be working pretty good. I got this Lutron dimmer, which is nice. You come on and turn off with a fade. I got these commercial electric from Home Depot, and the beautiful thing about these is you can switch the amount of light and the color. And I don't think I would go any other way putting in putting in LED lights, because maybe the living room would warrant a warmer color. Living room, kitchen might take a brighter white color, and it gives you 3 options for light and 5 options for color. So anyway, here's the ceiling. Here's where the lights will be going. And I marked out partially. This is a drop ceiling. There's about 2 feet above the drywall, and it's a steel frame, roughly 24 by 40 inch system of steel frames that the drywall is screwed into. So next thing will be running the wire to the outlet. This switch, which is now the switched outlet, will take another box. So there'll be a 2-gang remodel box right here, and that's going to be coming from right down there. So anyway, that's it.